Yeah, it's a good day, my people. So I'm here with a quick breaking news. So a man just stopped in a Scotiabank and we don't know when did I try to prove, but him wheel off a knife and challenge the security them. So I will let you see this clip first and then you will see the other clip after. I'll let you hear my thoughts.
The last time earthquake come catch me in here. No, I'm trembling. Dear God. The last time earthquake catch me in here, the building shake down with me. Now, I tremble. Bear gun. Bear gun. Oh my God. Stay still, Lord. Yeah. A bad man this. You can't believe them let him out just like that. So where police them not take out the weapon from him. Dear God. From him. Dear God. Oh God. Oh God. Look at this.
Hey, artist boy, watch me here. Hey, artist boy with a big song them under your belt. Watch me here. Watch me here. Feel like you can lose more weight than me. Alright, watch me here. Just watch me here. Watch me here.
Yo, yeah, idiot youth. Right now you run about 40 in a race, daddy. Me, then you. Them say fi turn it up, me turn it up and notch again. Me lose the weight, me belly flat at the top of them. Them say me couldn't lose the belly, me just do the.
Yeah, my people, so that was basically it. We don't know what him did I try to prove, but that was the video. And I want you to just like the video. And if you can subscribe, if you're not too busy, it's free. You can just subscribe, you know? And not take note of your time. Thanks, people. Bless up.